Hey guys, I have some bad news for today. I really don't want to say this, but I got scammed. I got scammed because I entered my password and look. Wait, let me delete this. And I'm trying to get on my account. And look, it's on Blackie Black. My password is right here, but look, every time I try to log in, it says it's incorrect. Well, you don't see it because I don't know why, but still, it won't let me get on. See, incorrect username or password. I don't know what her name is, but I forgot. I know it was like Cleo something, but it still wouldn't work. Otherwise, I had to make a new account. It's still Blackie Black, but it's a different thing. It's 223. Blackie Black. Wait. What is that sound? I'll be right back. It won't never let me in. See? I tried this one. This wouldn't lock me on. Cause I knew when I just made this account. It just made me get on, but you have to sign up again. But hit the like, well, not hit the like button, hit the notifications, thumbs up. That's the only way how to make me happy. And this time I'm going to just do with Blackie Black something I don't know. But sorry guys, Blackie Black 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I put no. Let's try Blackie. Try Blackie Black. 10. 1, 2. That's the one I'm going to be using now. I'm just going to put in random things right here. Because that's really not my password. I really miss that account, but I had to make a new account now. There's a lot of Jews out there still get a laugh off a hello mother, hello father. Ooh, no. I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna get it, y'all. I may make my guy the same, but I don't have the glasses anymore. I know you didn't see it, but I had the glasses, and okay, I didn't have the bacon hair. There. Now I'm gonna just keep that white skin. I'll change it later. But I'm so sad. But thank you if you hit the like button to make me happy. I know I'm bald, I haven't put it on. But at least my other accounts are not scammed or hacked. I'm gonna end this video right here. That's all. I'm there's kind of tears coming out because I'm really kind of sad. But bye. See you later, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye.